When you write thesis, you should check grammar. You should write the thesis in English. Today I want to suggest one app or one tool which helps you writing your thesis. That is Grammarly tool. Grammarly is a very good tool for writing thesis. Simply what we have to do, here we have to type Grammarly Google search. Today I want to give you some details regarding this Grammarly tool. Grammarly is a writing tool, first of all, that helps you check for several types of errors. It detects grammar and punctuation mistakes, basic to advanced. Now I want to click on this Grammarly free online writing assistant. Now it is opening. When we see this provides real-time suggestions and guidelines on how to correct these mistakes. Now when we see this interface of this Grammarly tool, great writing simplified. Here you can see there are many corrections in the document that Grammarly tool is correcting all the corrections. We'll see the next one. So here works where you do. This software or this tool is used in different ways, in emails or messages, documents and projects, social media. You can use this one in Gmail, Outlook, Messenger, Yahoo, Slack, Google Docs, Jira, Salesforce, in social media many. For example, Medium, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So in all these areas we can use this software. And when we say this, beyond grammar and spelling, now so it corrects the grammar. Not only that, it corrects spelling. If you do any spelling mistakes, it will correct. Punctuation also. Sometimes we do not know how to use punctuation, so it corrects. Conciseness also. And formality. What is the formality of that sentence? Just like that. And it corrects vocabulary also. So these are all uses of this Grammarly tool. So when we see this, I will show you another one. This Grammarly Premium is another plan. First one is the free software. The second one is the premium software. You have to buy this premium software. Now I will show you the differences between free tool and premium tool. Here you can see features. This is the free one and this is the premium one. Critical grammar and spelling checks, free one, it will be available, and conciseness, it will be available in your free Grammarly tool. Readability, vocabulary enhancement suggestions, journal specific writing style checks, plagiarism detector that checks more than 16 billion web pages. So these are all the uses when you take the premium account. In free account, only 2 will be available. Now other features are also there. You can go through this in the website. I want to show you this Grammarly tool. Here I type in my browser Grammarly. So we will get grammarly.com. This is the app. The interface of this one is like this. Okay. Right. My Grammarly account, app and logout. Now you click on new. You will get the new. Now what I have to do, I have to paste the document here. When we see this interface, overall score, goals, all alerts, correctness, clarity, engagement, delivery, and last one is the plagiarism. Now what I do, I have taken one paragraph from internet. Now I want to paste that paragraph or abstract here. Now it is giving the goals, set goals, audience, formality, domain, tone, everything. Okay, done. Now it is giving the suggestion. Instead of wide, I can use any 4 of these. So I want to use vast. Here increase is there, not increase, it is an increase should be there. Past is there, in past should be there, and another one is in the past. There are 2 corrections in this. One is space, another one is the article the. Next one is smart. It appears that you have improperly spaced some punctuation. It's okay. Base. So here it is suggesting the base. Here the complex. So here this is the we have to start with the capital letter. That's why the complex is right one. Then we will see this, and overall score I got 90. Earlier I got very less. So here complex is there. It is not complex, it is suggesting compound. Okay, it's okay. And another word is also there, and it is suggesting okay, not compound to this one, so complex is suitable. Right, it's okay, no problem at all. And on different it is giving, and it is various or incorporated. This is there. This is in passive voice. You can, if you want to change this one into active voice, you can change, but I want to keep it as it is. Here this article, space is required between this and article. It's okay. Then beam forming. This beam forming is this, right? 2 words joined together, right? Beam forming. To compute, space should be there. Okay. Now when I see this one, 99% correct. This paragraph 99% is correct. Correctness looking good. Clarity, it is very clear. Engagement, engaging. Delivery, just right. Now what I do, I go for plagiarism. This is very important to a scholar. So generally many scholars they cut and they copy and paste, cut or copy and paste in their thesis. That's not good. So here when we click on the plagiarism, so it is giving the plagiarism results. 84% plagiarism. This paragraph is taken from internet, especially from aprjournal.com. So when we see this, when you click on this, LMS and RLS algorithm for smart antenna from arpnjournals.com, just like that. If you click on this, right, so it is giving, so you have pasted from these 4, just like that, right. If you click on this website or that link, you will get paper. Okay. From abstract, here it is abstract. I have taken this paragraph and I checked whether this Grammarly is working or not. So, dear friends, we should not copy from other documents. If you copy, it is called plagiarism. So this app or this tool is very useful to all researchers who are doing MTech or PhD.